guys, today we are unboxing this. It's called a HyperX Cloud 3, 2, I don't know.
HyperX Cloud 2.
Gaming headset.
Right, it's in gunmetal color.
How do you open this? Does it just slide out?
I think so.
You need to remove this. You know, wait.
Why? Why can't you just take a
I'm
sharp
gonna-
one and cut across there?
I was gonna do this so I can individually peel every piece.
Just run a sharp one along the whole edge right there. There you go.
Let me put this away. Look at that.
Right, it does PC, PlayStation 4,
Whoa!
Xbox One.
Wow, look at that.
Come on now. They actually want to see this stuff, you know. Quick start guide.
Oh my, this is so fluffy.
Ooh, soft.
Oh, that feels nice. That
Very.
feels nice.
Do they feel nice? Ooh,
Wait.
like velvet.
We have to change them to feel
Well,
like
you don't
that.
have to. You can. They're interchangeable. They can have either these or those. You might like those.
Ooh, this is metal. Ooh, that's...
Aluminum is supposed to have a nice, sturdy aluminum frame up here.
Stop, please.
Oh, and a detachable microphone right here.
Which buttons?
Yeah, position it right where you want it.
HyperX. This is all the goodies to make it run properly. This is all the
Oh, good. It has a USB cord.
Well, you can just... Oh, you cannot make it that.
Well, let's see if it has a 3. It might have a connector like that.
Stop messing with it. Alright.
Remote control. Oh, that's where it plugs in. It plugs in there. And then the USB cord part, USB, plugs into like
Even though it kind of jets out. And there's a muter.
But if you have, that's awesome. That looks like a lot of fun.
I want to change these.
Well, don't ruin them changing them. They look like they're relatively easy to change, but maybe we should look.
I know. Like, see, this curves.
Right.
And this should, no, I don't know about that. That would be hard. Probably would damage them.
Shouldn't. I don't even think it gives you directions. I guess they figure you should know how. They might just snap in and snap out. I don't know.
No, they don't. You have to curve it.
Curve it.
Let me.
Just please don't damage it. Whoa. Yeah, you tear it. You're gonna end up tearing the leather. We'll do that in a little bit. Switch it out to whatever you want. So, just in case they want to see all the different controls on there.
What is this? 7.1.
7.1 surround sound. It's supposed to have some awesome sound going on.
Wait. Wait a minute. Oh. I thought this would show you.
It tells you all the different things.
I thought it would show you. This box is like dirty and old.
Oh my gosh, it's good.
Wait.
Directions on the inside of the box.
Do we have to rip the
It's probably a
box
warranty
open?
or something of that nature.
HyperXGaming.com/WA.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I think that about covers the whole thing. There's not a whole lot to it.
Wait a minute. Ah. Well, let's just look.
Put them on. Let's see how you look with them on. How about that?
Which way? And did I go this way?
Ooh. Is that kind of comfy?
I would like this better.
I hear you, but is it comfy? More comfy than the other ones you had? Then maybe they can hear you on Minecraft better.
I go the other way.
There. It's got to snap in.
Or did I go this way? They go that way. Just weird. How about?
I'm sure it's...
Wait a minute. I would recommend this way. Oh, I got my finger stuck. Ow, ow, ow. There.
Just like so. All right.
It's noise canceling. I can't hear almost anything.
That's always good.
Well, how do I get these extra fluffy ones on? Oh, they are kind of magnetic, I'm pretty sure. What? Where did I just stick? I feel like there are some magnets. Oh no. Or they just stick together. They probably just stick. Well, it says HyperX has new cupboard.
The warranty.
We're all
Or
gamers.
issues, tech support. Okay, so
The card.
is there any more to unbox?
No.
Got it then, huh?
Or well, let's see if there's any other features. No? Clip to clip to yourself. Like this.
Right.
Bye. Please like and subscribe.